in the UK is better. But when it comes to hustling, making money, Nigeria is better.
So are you trying to tell us now that you can become a millionaire in Nigeria, but in UK you can't become a millionaire?
Yeah, okay.
Raising your child in Nigeria and raising your child in the UK, which one is better?
Good evening, everyone.
Maybe you get them. Maybe government property. If you don't take care of them, government go collect them.
How you guys doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mazi OKK, and I'm here with my brother. What's your name, boss?
Guys, like the video. Come and listen to something.
Boss, you know, say you don't do UK for a while now.
I don't want to listen alone.
So I wanted to ask. I'm going around asking.
Let's come and listen to story.
Some questions so that people with Nigeria or other countries who won't come the UK
come
or
and
listen
to story.
Before they will come. So I want to ask you, staying in Nigeria, let's say living in Nigeria and living in UK, which one is best?
Thank you. First thing first, if you want make I tell you the truth or make I tell you waiting people 1 year.
What do people
want me to tell me the truth? So staying in UK and staying in Nigeria, which one is better?
Yeah, it is for me, my personal opinion, it is better for you.
May this guy pass guys, we are sorry for the noise. So let me go back to the question, sir. So
credit to you, Mazi
OKK. Which one is better?
Living in the UK is better.
Okay.
But when it comes to hustling, making money, Nigeria is better.
How?
Now, if you are living in the UK, you get some level of security, some level of your IQ and the way you think could be, it could be normal.
Yes.
But when it comes to making money, whatever thing anybody is doing here in the UK, work, whether hustle or work, now tax go still collect everything.
Okay.
So in Nigeria, you can become a millionaire. But here in the UK,
what are the year matter? Come on,
be something where you feel achieve in 5-6 years, even 10
why
years.
Are they UK?
Because I see they make the money.
I see why.
The government they collect from you.
I see why our sister change your husband to houseboy for us. When I come here matter, when I listen to this thing, I've been white me I go bed. I say no, Mama did you come and bring it up? Come and listen to yaga nonsense.
Equivalent to what you're making, but in Nigeria, if you didn't make the money, if you sleep like this, wake up tomorrow, one of your uncle or your family where they one place, if you just tell you say, where you, waiting you they do, carry proposal come, you collect like 50 million contracts. Nobody, you do them, you know.
Canada not be like that, oh.
But yeah, every
Canada not be like that
counts.
at all.
And every pound you make, you pay for it.
The life in the UK and Canada is not the same.
So are you trying to tell us now that being a millionaire in Nigeria is easier? Like you can become a millionaire in Nigeria, but in UK you can't become a millionaire.
Yeah, 100. Except from the fact that you are exceptional. When I say exceptional, maybe sport or a creative art person. But say you do.
Hope you guys can hear it.
And then they pay you salary. If you dey here 20 years, make you no save £100,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So are you trying
the
to
way I'm eating meat these days,
are you trying to advise people not to come to the UK or?
No, I never advise people not to travel, not to flee Nigeria. I would never.
Fish.
If you feel that is what is good for you, why not do it?
Okay.
If you feel that yes, you rugged, if you maneuver Nigerian system, security and all those things, yeah. If you want to stay in a climb, you want to stay in an environment, you want to think like a normal human being.
Like the video for me, guys.
you can come abroad. You don't want to show off, say I get money past this one. You just want eat well, sleep well, and live your life. Abroad would always be an option here.
So what about the because there's someone I interviewed, he was talking about the women, how they behave here and everything. So what do you have to say about it?
Yeah, basically, when it comes to the man and woman, the society, this thing favors women a lot. Okay. For Nigeria, man can come and say I'm the head of the house. But here in the UK that I know of, man obeys what the woman wants. Because either by force or by submission or by fear of you not being chased away from
we don't do
the
that
house.
in Canada.
Okay, which means your wife can chase you out of
Straight
the
your
house.
women.
If your wife don't feel comfortable, feel safe around, feel safe having you in the house.
Straight your women, man.
Point back, you need to leave.
And you must leave.
Even if your family member, the husband family member come they beg them, she go call police, say, I don't want to see these people in the house. And
So?
nothing go happen.
So you dey try talk safe for here.
UK.
Women are the breadwinners of their family.
UK.
I'm not saying they are the breadwinner. Even with your money as a man, now you buy the house. For the fact, say, now your wife and she don't born for you.
Can you imagine?
Now the children and the
Not the
wife
Canada like that too.
don't supersede whatever level where you be. Now plus one, they go add the mama and the pikin together. So when they come together,
Una
they
better run
don't
for UK.
override the
Guys,
power
come Canada.
So does it mean that, let's say, if woman
Come
do
to
me something
Canada.
and I report to the police first, does it mean that the police will not do anything about it? Or does it only favor women?
They do, oh.
Because now,
In
this thing
Canada,
is,
hold on,
men,
let's analyze this. It's vice versa. It doesn't mean who you be or who you not be. Say you be woman or you get right. There's one this thing like that. That is what happened. Now the woman be get right. Well, it can't give you right to the man. The man can't carry him. So in Canada, excuse me, it doesn't. You know me whether I'm a man or woman. If you are wrong, you are wrong. Yeah. The only way they will arrest the man or take the man out, maybe the man assault you, beat you. You understand? So, all those I want to know they talk. Me, I don't understand them. That's why I want to share it. Your opinion is one thing.
To this place because women, say woman fit dey with you 10 years, get plan. So if you come
10 years,
to the UK
if
and
you
just
reach UK,
change
go
and
your
change out of
change.
the house and
That's
just
a
do
lie.
everything. So does it mean there's
That's a
nothing
lie.
like guiding the men?
There's no
or-
woman
No, so-
wey go reach UK go say him change because of waiting. Why will or na people change am or what she's hearing? Like me, I don't know. I'm talking about myself. Nobody can change me except say na wetin come out for my mind. If you not come, I no get how you go do. You not fit change me. If you think say you be woman, you go fit change me. Mama Didi, you are wasting your time. Or you can't tell me wetin I want do. You are wasting your time. Me, I not even dey listen to people. That's why on this Canada, you hardly say, na so Mama Didi and this one go discuss. Na so me and no. I don't believe on those things. Say somebody go come tell me what to do. When you do bad, even though say na the woman call the police, so when police see everything, and they go decide. Say that una home, say they no go just ask, they go just pack the man come out. They go pursue the man. That is very bad. You see, if you are in the UK, you need to contribute on these things. The man, even though say he don't do bad or he do bad, or they go throw her out. No, he doesn't work here in Canada. Now, when they see that there's domestic, sometimes they can settle some for you. They fit tell the man make he come out for 24 hours to give you rest, to give you peace. But when they say he don't abuse you, assault you, and you have mark in your body, they will take the man out. They will arrest the man. That is how they do it in Canada. But say UK, it not be like that. They go just catch the man, carry and come out, or the woman go throw and come out. That's not good though. UK police, you people should do something about this. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad.
You just dey.
No, it's as crazy as if you be man, you report case for police. they go invite the woman, ask question. If your woman report your case,
police
they
go come the house
not
now.
invite you and ask question before they make
Police go
decision.
come the house now.
Well, I did this country. So, wow, it's really good.
Might not.
Okay.
Depending on the kind of this thing. At least, you see, most of the things where they happen, say woman, they pursue man, person carry woman, come and all those things. Those things are
Everything where this guy talk, it makes sense, so. But some of them,
an average person knows somebody
I not buying.
somewhere where in wife don't pursue, come up for us.
So, you try to tell us now, say, for this country now. Okay, there's something I heard. I heard something about your picking, if you carry your picking from you. This is okay. Put your child in the can.
this one sweet me. When I listen,
With them born there, or every children with there.
na government property.
They be government property. If you don't take care of them,
They go collect am from you.
government
Canada will
will
not
take
collect from you.
Subscribe.
You know where Canada go collect from you? If they abuse the children. You know they feed the children. You know they take care of the children. Especially school. The children that they go school every day, they go wear tear clothes. Not be only tear clothes. They not go carry lunch. They not go carry snack. You see that lunch and snack, you are in trouble. So that's why you see Mama Didi. I always buy a lot of snack for my children. My children are even they tire for the snack. Snack for my house. You not go finish, I don't go buy. You know the rules and regulation. You need to do it. Okay? So for you to think, say, now all those things that they collect children, every other people won't. Even me, since I enter Canada, I never see person where they don't collect their children. Say now this person, the only one why I know now old friend then, they still give them back the picking. I never see person where they don't collect their children for Canada. It's real. It's real. Canada don't do it. Canada believe that parents supposed to take care of their children, not the other way around. But Italy, Germany, UK, they are crazy. Those three countries, they dash me. I don't get what they use on do. Sorry. Especially Germany. I don't get what they use Germany do.
Now, wow, you know, so this is why I never reply this ones now because of what you just tell me so.
The boy, Mazi Okeke, they fear.
I don't want problem, but you carry me go. So now,
Oh,
it
wow.
means you cannot even, you can't do what you hear when I did Nigeria say you don't even hit your child. Say, if you beat your pikin, you take them from you. Does it mean like you cannot even caution your child or?
You know, the thing is, even if
You can caution your child.
Your kids go to school. And some people will go out there and say,
Yeah, they
"As
talk
if
to
we
my
are
children."
beating you at home."
So you
They all do
talk
bad.
anything, they don't
Even talk. I know one family where they tell them, say, if you go talk anything for school, if
Why you dey tell your children make they go talk something for
never
school?
gonna see you again. And
As a mother, why will you use those words for your children? Say if you go talk for school, I will never see you again. I never open my tell my children those kind of things. You know why? I know the kind of mother why I be. If you come my house, say, Mama Didi, they beat children. That were white baby, man. You see when you say, if you ask my children, I say, especially my first son, you ask and say, what is it that you don't like about your mom? Go say she talk too much. I ain't not like that talk. I mean, no, amiga is a wenye. Amiga is a wenye. So you know, so you not like the talk. Uru and why? Say me, I'll come raise my hand. No, my house, we don't fight. You understand? That's that. So for you to come to tell your children, say, if you reach school, may they ask you anything, make you know, say, you know, they not go see them again. Now until they spoil everything. That is how you guys spoil the whole things. How can you tell your child when they go school, say, if they ask you, that means I not go see you again? That means say you are not a good mother. Ask me just this one. I not get one fear. Or maybe they'll call say, Percy go call put camera for my heart to they monitor me. Come and monitor me. You go monitor, you go tire. You go monitor, you go tire. I don't even scare about that. Say I was scared, say they'll say mama this they beat the children, they feed the children well, they do this, they do that. Not be me. That's why I would never scare about those nonsense. Scare about what? Look at Ekobete today. Ekobete, because I do video where my pikin call they vomit. Because in a sickness go kill your children. Ekobete, share your fans that they watch you today. You are buana la wegbe. You are not soon who had one. A modern. E mi gbe no bi enye. E akuna matata. Ashawo kobo. So, I'll play the audio finish for you guys to listen. That is what they say is happening in the UK. UK police people need to do something about this thing. It's very, very bad. For you guys to come and pursue mark more for us. That is not how it's supposed to be. When something happens, if it's something that the woman don't want anymore, then they can guy. You understand? They can guy. But if not, what's the meaning of that? Guys, send me to like and share the video. You understand? Let's sit down here first. Is you? Oh, hey. With my water. Let's listen to this. This audio is very, very important for many women.
So because
for many women that see behave as if they're in Nigeria. When you go they beat your children, boss. We have a lot of Nigerian mother where they beat their children anyhow. They not be beat that they hear what. So every time I keep on telling you guys, I say this is my body, this is my fine body. I know they like one thing touch. No. I say I value this my body. And so I value my children body. I know if you can't resent, can't hit them. That mark go can't do the everlasting. I know go fit take her. You understand? So mothers, if you get that your hand is crashing where to be children, not come abroad though. You see how this boy also they go collect your children. But if not, come abroad. You will thank me. Me, Mama Didi, I can talk to my children for today till tomorrow. But say can't resent. I don't do it. And if maybe say you can't carry one monitor, can't take the monitor, Mama Didi, you are wasting your time. You understand? Let's listen, guys.
One, the way we are raised is different from the way these people raise their children.
Okay.
You cannot just spank your child or anything anyhow.
Yes.
Okay, something happened somewhere.
Hi.
The guy just come inside mall. Yeah, we take one shopping this thing. You just see one white lady and the daughter.
Who ate all those my ice cream cake?
Did your mom beat you?
Ice cream cake I bought yesterday.
That thing almost cost wahala.
They said it's
because
you.
We feel say that they collect picking from where we just go. Anything if the guy, the woman guys go make formal report say this person they harass the daughter. Because in the face say if the guy go report say this woman
go now.
Okay, they don't carry
they go come out the picking for the woman.
So let me ask you one last question, Raising your child in Nigeria and raising
Oh my God, what did I do?
Raising your child in the UK, which one is better? Because with all these things that we are saying now, it means you became feed here, can't be arrogant, get sense. Like you could just get this.
But they get sense.
So if you go to any other country, Nigerians they survive anywhere mostly. So if you're Nigerian and your child is here, do you think raising your child over there is better? Then maybe later you cannot bring the person over to this place to maybe for university and college or stuff. Or do you think? So let's just say raising your child in Nigeria and raising your child in the UK, which one is better?
But for me, I think there's not a universal approach to it. It depends on the people involved, the morals you put on the kids, and all those things. So, for some people, they prefer to raise their kids back home, and when they get to a certain age, they want them to come to the university here. So it depends on the time you have for your kids or children, as the case may be. But you know, our people, everybody hustle and bustle. I think most people get into the UK or they travel abroad with a time frame that I want to show back home that I'm doing fine. I want to build those houses. I want to buy those cars and all those things. So that they overwork themselves and leave the morals and all those things. But if we look at it properly, I have not seen anyone that properly
like the video
raise
for
their
me,
kids,
guys. Like,
and
please.
they would go astray. Meaning, either the father or the mother needs to be available
That's
to be
true.
close to the child.
That's
Okay.
true.
Yeah, but most times everybody just go out and hustle and bustle and leave the kids to do whatever thing they want to do at a certain age.
So there's something I also heard. I heard that if you did this UK as a man, now you be the woman for the house. Like if your wife is going to work, now you be the bath children.
Can you imagine?
You carry them go school. They cook for your wife.
Can you imagine? Now the year matter. So our traditional men in Weibo, I be more listen to them. Let's listen. Then I will I'll still tell you now.
Yeah, basically, from when it comes to marriage, you guys are supposed to be helpmates.
God,
And that is
this
why
man, this
I
boy,
think a lot of our people,
Jesus.
a lot of the men that
This
comes
boy
into the
just
UK
so-
need to unlearn and relearn.
this boy,
And I
this
say,
man is just so
because
amazing.
of the fact that if you they need to unlearn and relearn, because if your wife goes to work, you need to take care of the kids. You need to learn how to cater for them, cook for them, fix it. For me, back home, it doesn't make any sense when both of you have something to bring on the table. The way we were brought up, the father takes care of everything and the woman takes care of the home. But one man cannot take care of all the bills
At all.
while the woman stays and do nothing.
Yeah.
So you don't expect your wife that's gone to work
To come and
come
cook.
back and cook for you. So I think
Nigeria-
a lot of men are missing that point, because at the end of the day, she also has something. If she's not paying the
So-
council tax, she's supposed to get food stuff in the house and all those things. So basically, there's a way you just have to. If your woman is supporting you, meeting you like 30%, you are also supposed to help 30% in doing
This
some
man
stuff
is
in
a
the house.
very nice man.
Okay. So guys, you
Very
don't hear him.
nice
So if you want to
man.
come to abroad, you have to be very, very careful, because I even heard something. I heard that as a man and you are outside the country, your wife should not even know what you have, what you own. Like if you buy anything, not tell your wife, because your wife will go collect it from you.
So it depends
Let
on
them
the kind
what
of
they
woman
happen.
you married anyway. So
But you know, if you know the kind of woman where you married, you reach here now.
that's why they say, may our loyalty never be tested.
But if you
That's
can't hear
why I
the word,
talk
they go
and
test
They
say,
go test them.
which, except say the woman na person wey fit dey listen to outsiders. Like me, Mama Didi, you cannot change me. You know the only way I can change. Oh my God. You know the only way I can change. You know the way I can change when you the man change at me. When you the man change at me, change for me too, then I will change for you. Say maybe somebody go come advise me. I might be your money. You never born that person. We want to advise me, Mama Didi.
So guys, if you're coming to the UK, in it. So that's it. In it. Yeah.
Thank you
Cool
for
too much. Yeah. Thank you.
He said go too much. Why you not go Canada? Or go Canada now. When you know where that code dey. When you know. As this code dey, now your body go dey glinter. Dey fine. Everywhere go dey sweet. And they call just on everywhere they hot. I have to off low my heater. I mean everywhere cold. You know what I mean? When you cold in the night, you sleep on your head. All the grow where you see for road. What color they go count down? That's so it just be. Nobody they change anyone. If you think that somebody can change you, I think your mentality is so low. You are not qualified to be even a woman. For a woman like you to advise you, to tell you to do this to your husband, do this to your husband, you really do. When the man not do you bad, you are also. As me, I be so. Nobody can tell me what I can do. If you pass your boundary, I go put you where you belong. I know the rules and regulations in Canada. I know we are not supposed to touch. I know we are supposed to touch. I know what I supposed to call. I know what I supposed to call. I know what I not supposed to call. I know what I supposed to talk. I know where I've get my full stop. Say me go come day one day. Somebody like me, who I not even get trouble, you come tell me what me, Mama didn't want to do for my house. You're wasting your time. I feel listen to you. I'm not gonna use your word. You know why? You cannot tell me what to do. I never ever seen for my life. It never happened. It never happened. Say, woman like me, go come they tell me what I want to do for my own house. You know if it work. That is that. So UK women, you people should stop doing those things to our partner. It's very bad. That is not how it's supposed to be. They say when they Nigeria, when go they play sister too good. If una just reach a weibo, they say una just change. What did they change you now? What did they happen? It's not good. You want to be a single mother? If the man not they beat you, if the man not they abuse you, there's no need for you to be single mother. If the man they help you do everything, there's no need. Manage the man. If the man not they shit on you, analyze things where you go suppose leave your man. If your man not they beat you, not they abuse you, not they assault you, physical, emotional, and otherwise, if those one not there, I mean, if he dey, you need to leave the man. The man they shit on you. You know they do one kpekus. Your kpekus not even the rich and upon us they give them back from Mokinstar and the Edede star and the hold your grandpapa star. You know the rich run away before you can cash HIV give you. Okay? So all those things when man go they do to you, they beat you, they assault you. If you they do one, run away from your life. Call police for them. But if maybe say no, they beat you, if they can't help you take care of the children, you know they nag, you know they curse you, you know they say you they rare, whereas you not rare, you know they say you are a prostitute, whereas you are none, you know they curse you, you know they beat you. I mean they do all those things. Call police, let it be taken away. But if you know they do all those things, please stay with him. Don't do any nonsense. Don't say wetin my fans, my friends they do. They say if you do it like this now, the nightmare they do. Like some women like me, I can come from work, I will cook. I just come this evening now. If I tell you work, I don't do these videos. You can't work why I don't work for this since because I not fit do one. I not fit finish on Monday because I go fix my car. Small thing I say I want to go do for my car, conscious show another long line. You understand? Even they even say, bring it next week. I don't want to go next week because I will see postpone. You understand? So, there's things I'm supposed to do like cleaning the floor, like washing the toilets. Another one. I come from work now. I just mop, clean floor, clean toilet, do everything. You understand? So, now so it just be. So, I just come from work. I work, I leave the house this morning. I know they wait anybody who hey, if you never feel help me do it, no. I believe when I do it by myself, now I go even clean pass. Now if you even do it for me, so now I can't say hey this one. So when be say the man see the help, if the man they help, please just manage them. No say with the see some men like all my mother children. All my mother children, the boys, they are just women in nature, like they do things like women, they help a lot, they can bath children, they can do a lot of things like their wife. Now every time they tell my brother wife, I say na enjoyment to na day because my brothers na they na take care of us. I say na enjoyment to na day. You see my way sabi bath pikin, do your newborn mama go bath and go do everything. I say na enjoyment to na day. Me I go born my pikin. Now let me want go bath my pikin by myself. All my children, now let me want they bath them. I tell Lena from my papa. You can't put before I buy, I'll see me they buy me black soap. Oh yeah, kind. I use kind they clean inside their man. Can't put all yeah, put on. Sometimes that first day I go let person help me bath, but every who is saving it go along. I go do it again the next day. I'll put that native soup. Oh yeah, inside. Hot water. Ikele mama egbe. So, like my first speaking, they even they say maybe I don't feel born before. I know how to take care of children. I know how to bath pikin, do everything. Oboni na yegi yeke ni yegi yeke. Mother son, ni ya uni, I did do. You just say go break it, no break. I did do. The way my papa, I did look my papa the way they do. All of us, with the bonus, now my papa bath all of us. So why I not go learn? All my brothers can bath newborn baby. Why I not go learn? I learn it from my father and my brothers. You understand? So when you say maybe man, now your own fellow woman can't tell you what to do for your marriage. That means say you are not matured. You not reach to even be a married woman. For your own fellow woman, they tell you what to do. Say na UK or na day na abroad. What is the meaning of being abroad? Putting your man that both of you have been in love for so many years. You know, say na vavasana, so with the see some useless men. They will forget the good time one at a day. All they can do is to abuse you, assault you, call you names. What you not do, they go say you don't. You never cheat, you go say you cheat. Your kpekus, nobody don't touch and go say they don't touch. The same kpekus where you say they don't touch, you want see conquer do the kpekus. You know no say na cause. How can somebody do the kpekus where you pay bride price? Then you want to do the kpekus. You know no say na wa. The same woman where you say he go shit, he go do this one. You see they eat. The woman go cook you. Udo do riwa oge wa riwa oge. Uma get imi wa agbo. You know no say imi wa go kill you. So some men, they don't get sense because of a lot of them do things in imagination. After they don't lose that woman, they'll say, hey, so now this woman I just lose. You don't say we women with the tolerate. We'll take her today. Tomorrow we'll take her. Next tomorrow. Again where you know if you take her again. May you come up for your life. Now you just dig back. You understand? All those women where they say, I want to we are for one start. That's all I go buy for the marriages. Because una no go fit do anything for yourself. That's why the men go continue to use una. They use una like rag. Me, mama did it. Come and use me now. If not be me, go use you. Use all. I'm not a liability woman. I can do anything I want to do. I don't need man to do anything in my life. I don't need men. You see, my children, they are enough for me. I don't need any man to do anything. I've been on my driving, waiting, on my work. Waiting and what I can't need men for. Take care of my children. I come this evening now, don't bath my pikin. I bath them as I come. Now me go bath them. Because my first son, that one not the house. Now me, it just the attached just now. Now me go bath them. Now I can't wait for one man say, you never ever come back, my pikin. Where we were saving me agwalo. You don't know me. Where they were saving me agwalo, I dey picky, I'm a picky. I dey picky. And that me do you where I go leave you. I know what now you go suffer. You will leave me. You when you don't want me again. You when you say you go they beating me every day. Say I don't get where they go. We all suffer. You men no so. Now you go suffer now. Who do you again? Who you na ukpokpo no so abo ya dagmo yi. Who you na agama lizard. I'm here why no way. But you walk away. They me no wala we gbenu na ye singa na. Eru we wa je we wa e traza we wa deve kun we egu we deve izabo we na oni even know you bo we see person wey you say you go dey cry go dey slay every day is making rubber freshing every day eating the good food cook live if you don't know how to cook go to my YouTube I get plenty food that time why they cook go and learn how to cook go and cook. Learn how to cook. Don't wait for man. Am I biokbiani? Women, don't do man anyhow. Respect your man. But you see all those men where they no want respect, give them what they want. Call police for them. Tie police in ya. No get mercy for them. Any man will no fit get mercy for you. Man will don't raise and beat you after giving them children. Man where you don't respect. Man where you don't help. Man where you don't do everything for. He go come raise his hand on top of you. Not only that one, he go make sure say no have mercy on them. You just do your neck like this. Just do it like this. Not turn now. If you want to do it, not turn now. Just do it like this. Me, I not get mercy for those kind of men. I not get mercy. They are not my friend. They can never be my friend. They can never be my friend. Abuse this man. Men that abuse their wife. You are not my friend. And you can never be my friend. You'll see some of them go say, if I leave you, you're not going to see you go carry you. When I get hot cake, the woman, you know go see. You where you say, you no go see, you go carry you. Am I me no more way? They no see you carry you. You when they don't say, they no go carry you. Nobody go carry you. Nobody go carry you. Who want carry you with 5 children? Who want carry you with 3 children? Who want carry you with 4 children? Am I me when I'm where? Who you go you? Who we are come. Oh we are come on perfume. Perfume me I give me a spray. The time you did with the woman, they see money till they buy perfume. As you leave the woman, your life can't be 0. That's to show say that the woman grace they carry you. You go see some men go say, no, my grace they carry you. If I leave you, you're not gonna feel me kind again. You go come so. You're not gonna feel the talk again. When you're made to talk, you're not gonna feel talk again. Women, anytime men use those words for you, tell us say back to sender. Tell us say in 2 months, say I give you 2 months. Come and see me coming out. And if you want to come out with the best. I always tell women, if you leave man, if you leave man, don't rush into another one. And if maybe say, na abuse or whatever, heal first. If you don't heal and you go another one, it may not who will be first one, or who will be second one. But when you heal and before you go, you will see that man, when they come, the kind of love we could get for you, not be small. Go respect you, ratio. Here where you do him better where. So it be women way good. You know, say we women way good. Some of all these women they know they see better man. Yeah, man where they use them play jangolova. Neither they miss men where they sleep with prostitute. They go pay $100 to sleep with prostitute. They don't away for Canada, married men. They go call themselves say they be married men. They go carry. We get where you get place where Ashawo dey for Canada, where they do Ashawo. Na code they did one. And one day I go video them. Oh, just that say my this thing come far from here. For me to go there now is 1 hour drive. If not say, when I not worry, time to come. I will be less busy. All those things, guess what kind of what I want to go do? They go sleep with that Ashawo with $100. They go rent room where they want to do a short time, $70. I'm telling you what some marriage men do in Canada here. Winner. They know they take care of their children. Very liability men. They go sleep with prostitute. They go say one small girl they Vancouver. They go drag go Vancouver, go sleep with girl. Go pay put. Where they get wife for hustle. And if you see those people where they go they sleep with so their wife killing person. All those kind of men. What is this one they write? I don't understand what they write. they go just carry. They go just carry drive go sometimes 1 hour. Sometimes they go say na Niagara Falls. Now they get day. You get one day like that, I go party. You get set of this men. They watch me now, I don't know. They know themselves. Now Canada, yeah, they set of all these men, all of them get wife. They come they discuss. They don't know say me I did there. Because that party where I go, that place too they hot. So I can't come outside, say I can't take fresh air. I just sit down there. Then just gang up, they call it talking. Some of them they watch me and I go say, hey, Mama, Dina, Mimi. You hear go Mia. They just come they talk, oh, the woman where they want go knock tonight. The other one say na so go tell your wife, say na so they go work. The other one say go tell your wife, say na so they were just discussing. Later you know what thing I do. I say so they just turn. Hi. The one just come meet me, one of my best friend. You come meet me. Mama did we whatever na whatever na paledomo. We kwene ni mata na we ma. As I thought say we ma boss love. I say everything why me ya. Ina igwa me ya. Only senior, only seller. Oh, and I'm yeah, when I go when already. But I keep the code. I never tell the wife, any of their wife. I never tell them. I don't do that. But I believe he will change. You know, a lot of men do it here in Canada. They do it here in Canada. Even again one like that. When they go Nigeria, this one a person where I know. Well, if you watch me now, you know say Mama did it very soon. These people where they talk to, they don't make me vex. So this one they just go Nigeria. This one now, they sleep with your wife again for so long. They do say, okay, you'd be my husband, but they know they sleep with each other. Okay, they know they sleep with each other. I don't know the reason why, but the woman know a husband, girlfriend. So when they can't go Nigeria, they can't buy ticket, go, they can't lodge for the same hotel. Do you know, night of it, this man come out, go sleep with his girlfriend, leave his wife. Oh my shit. It care when he fear. You know another thing I can reason, I can say, well, they're not there again. So what do we think? What do we think? They're not there again. You understand? So also those things just be here. So a day here. So for me, my advice for women, do not listen to your old fellow woman. Sometimes it can help you, but the time you will listen, if maybe say you can't get trouble, maybe you need help, maybe it can't be say you don't be any for, and you need some advice to move on, what you can do, you understand? Yeah, you can do that. But if not, do not listen to other women to tell. They tell you, say, do your husband like this, come for head, draw a bula, do this. Don't do it. I say, white woman, don't do it. Especially the man, not they hurt you, the man, not they do you anything, don't do it. But when the man, they do nonsense, still not do it. You know what you're gonna do? Exhibit phone. You just carry your phone, just they knock everything with the man they do. Everything with the man they do, just they knock and put. Until that faithful day or what make back and what collect. I say if una want call police, mona can't come my tissue now that they call police. Where worry yo. It's a therapy yo. You must go therapy to learn how to call police. It is now. You just call police, they go just meet you. You know, say a lot of police, the way you call, they know they come. You just call police. You say hello, they say hi. But I not give all of una the cocoa. They say ambulance or police. You say police. You don't be ambulance, you don't need ambulance. They go direct you. Go to ambulance, go to police. Then when you read police say, hi, police, hi, may I help you? Hi, so. And they'll ask you, what's your name? What's the address? What's the reason why you are calling? Blah, 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 blah. Just they analyze. They'll ask you your date of birth, everything. What belaya you are? 2 minutes. The man go dey yoyegbe 2 minutes or yoyegbe. Wait a minute. You give on the man date of birth too. 2 minutes here yoyegbe. One try. This is why I thought so. I just cut time. Not be so supposed to. Iwa. Waste your time for useless man. Man will be say you no appreciate what you do for her. After having how many children, not still appreciate. More you cannot recognize. Look, a lot of them now. Now juju that they do juju, voodoo. I took by their heads. I do the video. I don't know why I never see upload that video. Yeah, they go they tell their children say do this to their mother, do this to their mother. That is what they do. You say don't listen to your mother, don't do this. When you forget, say after that we cannot listen to a mama. You know, say no, say listen to you too. But your mind is say na the mama they do. See they do you too. Or as your boy you all our Latin. They say train up a child in the ways of God. Where he is grow, he will never depart from it. You don't need to bring those children to your problem. It's your problem. Face it. You will see a lot of men, they don't want to face their problem. Whenever they have problem, they want to bring it to the children life. No. I always tell people, say, come, when you have problem with your partner, that is the best time you will bring your children close to you. That is the best time you will love your children so much. But you will see some mother, because he and the husband get problem. Or you want to be here, go you go I ran no more money. You are both here kulera, go. It no work. It no work. That is the good time you're supposed to bring them to yourself. That is the good time you need to love them more. Some people don't know it. Then, I can remember then. This whole thing, I've learned it a long time ago. I don't learn a long time ago. I do use it to teach people. If you don't know, now you know. But it do take the grace of God for you. And you need prayer to back up it up. A lot of men, because you and another, they're not going to let you rest. They hire other fake accounts, they bully you. They do many things. They don't want to see you. They want to say you will just buy a hand. They will not say you don't buy. You know they work like that. I go in the name. I get. I learn to stay. No, they go say he must buy. And I mean they ask a lot of all these men, if your heirs can't buy, you can't buy your heirs. What are you going to tell your children? Just like the way Josidin and a co-worker be want go buy Kora for Nigeria. What do you want to tell Atena Jew? Say, I buy your mother. Does it sound good to your ear? Buy your mother. Some men not to the do. That is why a lot of women will not forgive you. Yes, so you go plan to buy the woman, you go do voodoos. No, juju will never do. You are spending your money to do voodoos, to pluck to make sure say your hair is bad, to make sure say your hair is colo, to make sure say your hair is sick. Walk bad. Where what to turn and wo we all bunjuna, all this nonsense we do say no go help you. Any repercussion I had deju. Social media now is more of it do analyze the way. Me, Mama Didi, Imana analyze the way. We are me, analyze the way. Men, you guys need to grow up. We women, more every time I keep us in the city. Now we women, now they bring man up. We women, if we want to bring man down, very easy. Yeah, very easy. That's why they tell a lot of women. Not just say mama did say call police. You not get one evidence. If you be say the man get plenty evidence pass you, now you go come there where the man there you can't do there. Don't do that. Have your evidence to back you up. Let them plenty. Make sure say reach 20 charges so they won't get the man. They give him 20 charges before you go remove 20 charges for your head. Before you go get a criminal case lawyer. Criminal case lawyer go charge almost $20,000. You go the battle like a woman. After that, carry him. Make sure say you go the patient support. You more patient support. Wama kukiviene. Eto. Oi pay. You see loco. Kiage. When I see that small thing we did that man this thing. Why do you do you the loco? I'm not wicked though. I know that some people they see this mama did it. You be bad woman. I'm not the wicked though. If you good to me, I'm good for you. If you bad to me, I'll bad to you. And so you just wish. You don't want me to be bad to you. Just show me love as I show you love. If you tell me say you too know, you guys are boy. Wa mira wijwan wa mijwa wiran. That's why I just be. I don't know how to pretend. When I follow man with all my heart. Where I came from, we don't cheat on men. Awano. Erimeno ogun manari kita ori kita. Oh God, ikita no gbe fever. If I reach Nigeria, I'll go shop dog. I tell my brothers me they find one dog key for me. He might make it tie. And that's why I will use a lot of people here where they make me, where they try me, especially Monica. Over here, dog bolo. I go change her to dog. I will shop her. Monica, I go change you to Ekita. Maybe why I reach Nigeria now, I'll change you to Ekita. Boah, idiot. If I mahama where, wanna stay away from me. You don't want my problems, stay away. Because I tell her, say, my papa will go now, me the server. My papa is sango, homila. You see, I say the pepper ko bete. The pepper ramu. She also they say, you know, see that one. They go they tell man for social media that pikin they sick. My pikin not the sick. My children they don't sick. It's what you call a flu. You have flu. Your body not hot, nothing. You just vomiting because you're a fool. My children don't even go hospital. I don't even know why I don't go hospital. She said they want to take their needle, their immunization needle. We don't visit doctor. Hi, Mama Didi, I don't visit doctor. The only time I visit doctor is when I want to do my annual checkup. Go do all my blood work. That's when I visit doctor. We not the sick for my house. Say, who is well? What even make her even come they vomit? Only in one shop McDonald's. Big chicken where I buy, he almost finish her. He shop the 2 leg, he shop the other 2 hands. And I wolo yon ba. Night reach night, the food can't reach here. Night reach, he like chicken. My children, especially my last one, too like chicken. If me I cook chicken, I like the one I cook yesterday. And I worry, peka. I said that they pick. Before you know, if I cook finish, sometimes I'll go buy another chicken again. Okay? Sometimes it always happen like that. I gotta buy another one again. You were laughing at yourself, say, you know mine now. The same they do the name. A picking for the sick. You are bola with me. You never buy Talana for your picking ones. My children, the only sickness with the now only cook.
Okay, I live in the UK. Which one is best?
Kata nose. Kata. Electric. Who Uwa, eko bete. Uwa. Me denu we. Idenu no tugu. Bete didu. Wa tugu monta. Emi gbe egbe no yenye. Emi gbo egbe mi na gbo egbe. When you were around, what do I go, Mama? Did it go? Nothing. I think they say they are strong. I think they say any picky call the sick. If you remember me, if you go me, I just want to do that video that day because I was no sleep and what I was doing, nothing. You know. Mama no je. Itinsi na me na mama didi de toto. Atoku. Na akawa gbo wa monfa. We no you no keke, we no keke no already. We no keke no already we do agwe mama didi go. When it can't agbe no already. It can't agbe. Egbe we ya ehin. Iba wati de wadoge efesiwe ya oya eya hie wa wati ge gbe mama didi ge si potina one make here for you see you fresh like this now le light here there I know my regular too so we are going to compare you see some of your colleagues say, no, madam, mama did it blishy. I know we tell now the cream what they use. And most of them they come my comment section. Mama did it tell me the cream what you did. I not go tell you cream what they use. I not go tell you now. They bleach is okay. Go tell your papa. Ya can't be joué. Ya can't be Monica ni joué with bleach. Your boy la wa visual ne Monica gbe. Ige ko bete no wa dido. Oko no ro wodo no ove. Adotro supu eni gbegbe no ri eyin. Wa tu Monica. Ma bola we gbe no la we gbe na. Ahi owa no mama. Eni gbegbe no ri eyin. Wa tu Monica, igwe tu hian tu. Ahiowa, adotro sokbo. Emi gbegbe no yenye. Most women turn their husband to. Okay, let's listen to this one.
The food they eat here. So most of the times they go look for the young guys or the stronger ones.
Are you saying that if the women come here, they are likely to change?
Of course, women are likely to change. We Nigerian women, most of us don't have forgiving spirits. So some of us who might be married for years in Nigeria, and as soon as you come here, you think you don't forgive your husband. In real sense, you've not forgiven him. So you use all those harsh things he has done, use it to pay him back here, which is cheating on him or...
You are not a good woman.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's boy man's UK, I'm in the UK.
For you to do that, you are not a good woman. How can your husband do something to you? Where is vice versa, and so that they see some men. How can your husband offend you? Then you go say you don't forgive him. After another year, enter UK. Now another thing. I think I will keep this one. I don't want to play this one today. I will go and let me share it out. So
if not, okay, in it. So and I'm asking like.
Excuse me, may I go sleep? I go sleep. I'm working tomorrow. I don't want to stress myself out. All right, good night, everyone.